Hello people, welcome again to Nanaba's Kitchen. I hope you're well and having a fantastic day so far. Today we are making my homemade spice and fresh herb blend. It is a way punch tastiness into any dish you cook, and it is really easy to put together and it stores well in your freezer. It is practical, it is handy. When you need it, you just grab it and you go. Simple. For those of you who are constantly on the run like myself, it is the best way to punch flavor into your food. I can't wait to show you how I put this together. Let's begin, but first let's wash our hands. So I'm combining my favorite spices and herbs in this blend, beginning with some dried thyme, fennel seeds, aniseed, and all these have a licorice flavor, which I love in my dishes. If you watch my videos, you'll see that I use them a lot. That was cumin, and this is coriander seeds. Now I have some more licorice flavor because that works so well in savory dishes, and that was star anise. And here is some white peppercorns. You can substitute this with any peppercorns you have. They have the green, they have the black, they even have the red. Now I've added some ginger, followed by some garlic, and then I'm adding some rosemary. So you see, this is going to be very potent in terms of its flavor. And that's exactly what I'm going for here. So a little bit will go a long way. That's sage that I've just added. And now I'm adding some Fresno chilies followed by some onions. Now these onions are miniature red onions. So you can use a bigger red onion and just cut them up to fit your blender. Add a little water to move your blades of the blender and blend it up to make some space for the rest of the ingredients. We have a few more to add to the blend. Now we have room in the blender to add 1 bell pepper, and I remove the seeds because those can get bitter. I chop them up to fit the blender, and in the blender they go. And then I add some coriander leaves or cilantro. I add the stems as well because, as I always say, there is a lot of flavor in there, so you do not want to waste those. I add a little more water because it's become really paste-like, and the blades might not move as I would like them to. So blend that up and create some more space in your blender because we have a few more ingredients to add. And due to the fact that I like my blend to have a mousse-like texture, I drizzle in some olive oil while it blends. And the oil causes the entire mixture to emulsify with some of the acids in the herbs and the spices in the blend. And the reason I like the mousse-like texture is so that it melts easily when you cook with it. Simple as that. Now I'm adding some parsley to it as well. I included the stems. And I'm going to also add some Serrano chilies for the heat. And I love the flavor of Serrano chilies. I cook with Serrano chilies quite a bit. I'm also adding that grassy oniony flavor with these scallions or spring onions. Some people also call it green onions. All right, I add a little more oil and blend them up. Now I'm going to add the rest of my onions. I have a few more onions, and mind you, you can actually use any kind of onions you have. You can even use bulb onions, you can use white, yellow, sweet onions, whichever onions you have. You can even use shallots, oh, those will be great in here. So those go in, and then I blend the rest of them up, and then we're done. Then I'm going to mix both of these blends up so everything is combined evenly. Now before we do that, see how bright green this mixture is? To keep that color and that brightness, I squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon, Lemon is acid, as we all know, and acid brightens everything. It doesn't only brighten a taste of an ingredient or a dish, it also brightens the color and retains that brightness for months. So now everything is stirred in and evenly combined. I'm going to scoop bits of it into this ice tray, and in the freezer it goes until it is solid. And that's it, friends. That is all she wrote. I have all the ingredients. I love to cook my savory dishes in right in here. So next time I cook something, I pop a couple of them into my stew, my soup, and I'm good to go. Like most of you, I am constantly also on the go. I have to even travel for work sometimes, a few times in a month, and my husband really finds these handy and practical. He often takes just one of these because they're so potent, adds it to protein, chicken, fish, beef, into the oven with some seasoning and oil, and dinner or lunch is served for the entire family. So you see, even in my physical absence, I am certain and confident that my family can enjoy something tasty in a dish, all right? You can use it in your soups, your stews, your stir fries. And I'm just so pumped to share some exciting recipes using this life-saving blend. So please stay tuned for more exciting recipes coming up soon, and a friendly call to action: share this video, please. And thank you. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here. Yes, friends and family, and also make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. See you soon on my next one.